Hi students, now we are going to see the definition 1.5. A non-zero matrix E is said to be in row echelon form if all zero rows of E occurs only by the non-zero rows of E. All zero rows of E occur below every non-zero row of E. Below every non-zero row of E. See, this is a zero row, this is non-zero row, this also non-zero row. This zero row, where it occurs below the non-zero row of E. Second one, the first non-zero element in any row. Which one is first non-zero element? This is the zero row, this is a non-zero, this is a non-zero. In this is the first element of non-zero. In this is the first element of non-zero. It occurs in the jth column. This is the ith row and jth column of E. Then all the other entries in the jth column of E, the first non-zero of row I are zeros. Second point, the first non-zero element in ith row. Which one? This is the ith row and jth column. This is the ith row and jth column of E occurs in the jth column of E. Then all the other entries in the jth column of E below the first non-zero element of row are zero. Isn't it? Third one, the first non-zero, which one? This entry lies left to the I plus 1th row. Okay. This first non-zero entry in the ith row of E lies to the left of the R plus 1th row of the E. R plus 1 row of E. Okay. Once again I tell, all zero rows of E occurs below every non-zero rows of E. Second one, the first non-zero element is this now. This is in the ith row and jth column, okay, of E. Then all the other entries in the jth column of E below the non-zero entry of row, non-zero entry ith row of E are zero. This is the zero. The first non-zero element of the row is 1. It lies to the left of the R plus I. This is the R means R1. This is R plus 1 means second row. Second row to the it lies left to the first non-zero entry in I plus 1th row of E. Okay. Suppose if the given matrix should be a row echelon form, means it has to satisfy these things. That time only we can say the given matrix is known as the echelon form. Mostly the matrix echelon form means 1, 4, 7, 0, 0, 8, 0, 0, 6. For example, I have given these three entries should be 0. These three entries should be 0. Why? Because already what we have told, first here 1, 7 is coming means first non-zero element is this one. Before the columns should be before the column of this row, below this row all the entries should be 0. Okay. This is the general row echelon form. Thank you.